The latest rush in real estate investing isn't in major cities or expensive Airbnbs, it's in the ever so popular Metaverse, where a growing number of companies and individuals are spending thousands, if not millions of dollars to acquire virtual properties. This includes digital real estate, and yes, you heard that right, thousands and millions of dollars. Even Snoop Dogg has recently joined in on the craze. Metaverse real estate isn't so different from real-world real estate. It just has different dimensions and a different concept to investing. Before the end of this video, you'll learn how to buy digital real estate in the Metaverse as a beginner. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button so you get notified the next time we drop a new video. Now, digital real estate has become more popular in recent years. This is due to the new advanced technologies in the crypto world. And although gaming platforms like Minecraft, Roblox, and GTA, which are sort of metaverses on their own, exist, the metaverses of recent years have gone beyond gaming to actually living daily lives on a digital spectrum. Something like the movie Ready Player One, but newbies start out by asking, what is the metaverse and how does it relate to real estate? The Metaverse is a three-dimensional virtual reality world where millions of users interact through personalized avatars connected to VR headsets. The word Metaverse was derived from a 1992 novel by Neil Stephenson, which the novel was known as Snow Crash. In the novel, the Metaverse is a virtual world occupied by real people who might not be in the same physical space. Anyone from the real world can access the Metaverse and its rapid growing real estate market. Like so many other investments in real life, real estate is known to be one of the most lucrative sectors to invest in. Did you know you can purchase land, sell, and even rent it out in the Metaverse too? Most don't have a clue about this virtual reality. People and corporations are using real money and cryptocurrencies to buy, sell, and rent land NFTs in the Metaverse. Here is just a start of what you have the ability to do in the Metaverse. Interact with friends and connections, start businesses, go sightseeing, play games, host conferences or events, buy digital clothing, also called wearables, and start digital real estate by buying, selling, or renting lands and spaces. You can also trade NFTs as well. NFT means non-fungible tokens. It is a digital identity which no one else can own because it's linked to your blockchain and can be anything as long as it's unique and isn't a copy. This can be things like digital art, videos, and music, and the Metaverse land is also an NFT because it's unique and each land is different from the other. The land value is meant to appreciate with time, visitors, and traffic. Not to mention that you can do whatever you want with your land, and since the lands are NFTs, it's easy to prove ownership and authenticity. Now that we've already established how the Metaverse relates to real estate, well, virtual real estate that is, let's look at how to buy digital real estate in 5 simple steps. Step 1, choose a Metaverse platform. Choosing a Metaverse platform for digital real estate is a very important decision that has great impacts on the success of your investment. Each Metaverse platform, apart from having its own guidelines on how to buy and sell their digital estates, also has its own Metaverse coins which can be bought with real money or cryptocurrency, so it's very important to review them before you make your decision. There are so many different options out there with unique features, and it all depends on what you plan to do with your purchase. Decentraland and Sandbox are 2 of the highest growing metaverses with meta coins called Mana and Sand Token respectively. Step 2, create a cryptocurrency wallet. This is the most basic step. You need to have a wallet where you can access your crypto. Although each metaverse has its own metaverse coins, they need to be bought through cryptocurrency. There are many wallets available such as MetaMask and Bitski. Make sure to check the compatibility with the Metaverse platform that you'd like to use before making a decision. Most metaverses accept Ethereum and even Dogecoin. Step 3, connect your crypto wallet. Different metaverse platforms has its own sign up and connecting process. You will need to first create an account and then link your crypto wallet. The process of connecting your wallet is extremely simple, as there are browser extensions that you can install that complete the connecting for you. To confirm your purchase, you need to connect your wallet to your account. It's also essential to know that you can access some of the properties for sale in the metaverse's marketplace or third-party exchange platforms like OpenSea. OpenSea is the largest online NFT marketplace with headquarters in New York City, which it was founded in 2017, and it allows users to trade NFTs through its website. If you or anyone you know want to learn more on this topic, definitely share this video and hit the subscribe button for this channel if you haven't already. Step 4. Purchase cryptocurrency. Before being able to buy a metaverse real estate or investing in one, you need cryptocurrency tokens in your wallet. Purchasing Ethereum is better as most metaverses only accept ETH. You can use your debit card to buy tokens in very simple steps online, including completing your identity verification. Once you have purchased your cryptocurrency, you will have to send it to your crypto wallet. You can also purchase cryptocurrency with different fiat currencies. Just enter the amount you want to spend, and the system will automatically display the amount of crypto you can get. To confirm your purchase, you need to connect your wallet to your crypto account. Step 5. Select parcel of land available for sale. Depending on the metaverse, you can easily go through available land to buy or bid on in the marketplace section. You can also verify that you've purchased a legitimate NFT, and since the lands are NFTs, it's very easy to prove authenticity and ownership of the lands. You need to understand that the moment you own a digital land in the metaverse, you can use it however you want. It can be locked or fenced off, build a home or business, sell other NFTs, or use it as a storeroom for other NFTs bought in the metaverse. You can sell the land and even host events or concerts if you've generated enough traffic. For example, you could build a virtual mall or virtual art gallery. Depending on how much traffic you are able to generate, especially from visitors, you can attract other business owners to rent a space in your mall or artists to rent a space in your art gallery. Of course, they'll have to pay for it, and that automatically makes you a virtual landlord. There are other uses, but it depends on the host metaverse you're in. There are 2 ways you can sell digital real estate on the metaverse: through the Metaverse Project's marketplace or a secondary marketplace. Only third-party marketplaces can be used for sales on some metaverses like the Sandbox. If you want to put your virtual land up for bids on OpenSea, go to your profile on OpenSea and click on the sell button for your NFT. Then you will be able to create a fixed price for it. Here are some tips you should know before going into digital real estate in the metaverse. It is important that you follow the best instructions, just like in any physical investment, before buying digital real estate in the metaverse. Carefully research the metaverse platform you want to invest in before buying any virtual property. Make sure to choose a reputable third-party marketplace to avoid any kind of scams. And remember that buying isn't the only option. You can also sell, and although right now it's fairly risky to rent out virtual land on the metaverse, it will definitely change in the future. Digital real estate is fast becoming a new trend, and buying a virtual property and creating virtual businesses is the next big thing after NFTs, and we may see a surge in this as time goes on. It's still early, so it's easier to jump into the moving train now. This is a very fast moving train, with companies like Facebook even affecting name changes from Facebook to Meta. As a beginner, that's all you need to know about buying digital real estate in the metaverse. Make sure to make your own research, as this video is for informational purposes only and not as a means of financial advice. Let me know in the comments where you see the digital real estate market in the years to come. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I actually have a video here that will explain step by step how you can start a digital real estate business from complete scratch. So definitely watch this one next, and I'll see you in the next video.